Hi guys, we're doing the Woodwork challenge with Logan, Chloe. It's a forfeit with the Woodwork challenge. It's whoever loses gets red hat, which is gonna definitely be Logan. We might do a video on the PS later over this. They're new to our channel. Okay guys, if we get 20 likes, I know we're not going to get 20 likes, but it's worth a try. We'll do another video on this soon. We'll leave in the comments what football video you want to do next.
Or maybe a foot draft.
Or foot draft, or FIFA, or Black Ops, or whatever.
We can.
Say again.
We can do we're doing a football video later.
We could do it.
So you can see.
Yeah, see if I got enough space on my phone, because my phone is rubbish. Yeah, are you still waiting? I'll be back in a minute. Logan's going first.
No,
Here you are. What?
I can't put my video on.
You can't swap it round?
No.
What, right? No, come on.
Okay.
Come
guys,
on.
go first.
Come on.
And
Who's going first?
I'm going first, okay?
Oh, should we make it? Logan can shoot from the edge of the box, and me and you, Chloe, shoot from the halfway line. Was you it?
I hit the post.
Yay! I don't think I saw that, but oh well. She hit!
Right. Next is Logan's turn. Logan, you ready? Yeah, we're in.
Come on, Lo!
Quit, Luke.
Come on, Lo! Come on, Lo! Come on!
You have to take it on the floor. Don't worry, you can bounce it. Go. Logan kind of fluffed it. Logan, yeah.
Pass, Lo.
Logan's kind of
I'm aiming for the right post. So that post there. I can't. I'm looking through the camera as well as. I'm definitely losing
now
this.
it's my go again, and I'm winning. Yeah.
You? Oh yeah, you're at the post.
Yes, no, shit.
You didn't seem that excited about winning. You were like, I'm winning, yes.
Shit, stop it, but on the two posts.
Oh, if you hit these, like those corners,
Yeah,
they count as two.
that's two.
Yeah. You didn't?
I hit it in the middle of them.
Let's hit post. Shh. It's hard. Shoot. Boom. Come on, Lou.
Now it's Logan's turn. And if he hits this, he's winning one with me. Callum.
I'm losing. Hello, stranger.
In it now. Swallow.
No.
No.
Yes.
Logan missed. What's your feeling, Luke?
He's gonna cry.
Now it's Callum's go. What's Callum's go? Oh, wait, look at Logan. Now it's Callum's go. Is he going to hit it?
No.
He almost hit the post.
I can't do it with a phone in my hand.
My God.
I normally get someone to video it for me. Or get one of my mates to do it. Stupid!
Right, I hope I...
Not gonna hit it.
Oh! Crossbar, baby! Crossbar, baby!
What the hell is that dance?
Now it's Logan's go. Is Logan going to score?
No, you're not meant to go for the hoop, mind. You're meant to go for the posts.
Now it is.
Should we do? Is it? Oh yeah.
Go on, Carl, you can do it.
I can't.
So Callum's at this second.
I can't. No, hold this. Dunno, yeah.
I go in for the right post. Yes. Callum's second.
I'm gonna kill him. I'm videoing you.
If I score this.
I'm videoing you.
Please. Don't put the post on you. You will be fine.
No, I'm just videoing you. I'm videoing you for me, mine. No. Well, that was a fail and a half.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
Oi!
Chloe, do you know your gloves were down there?
If Chloe hits the right post, she's won.
I fluffed it. Now I actually mine stopped.
Did it?
I done maximum board size reached.
Ha ha, ha ha, ha ha, ha ha. That's Logs. It's Logan's shot. Pass.
Okay, Logan just took his shot and he fluffed it. But my video went, my phone went, so I had to sort it out again. Now it's Callum's shot.
So, like, flipping hell.
No, it's my shot. No, it's Logan's shot.
It's not yours.
No, it's my shot. And I'm going to try and negotiate it because I've already completed it all. And
You haven't hit the post yet?
yeah.
Haven't hit the right post yet?
The post in the bonus.
Yeah, I love that belly.
What did you shot?
That belly.
Logan could do better than that. I'll try the Ravana. The boner, Ravana, whatever it is. Hold that. Keep it still video on.
Callum, Logan is trying to take his shot. And now is Callum's shot.
Oh, Chloe, you went live there.
This is Logan at Callum's. He hit the crossbar. What's your celebration, Cal?
No, that's just a bad celebration.
Now it's my go.
It's gone on for 8 minutes already.
And if I score this, no, if I
You won!
trying to go for the hoop.
Go for the hoop. No! Ha 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 ha. You
I
rubbish.
bloody flipped it.
I say you're I say you're rubbish and I've lost. I say you're rubbish and you've won it.
Right. So after whoever hits, what do you have left?
I have that post left.
Callum has the post. Logan
Has
has
the crossbar.
the crossbar.
And that post.
Logan,
Logan, you already got the crossbar.
you
let him
only
'cause
have
he's-
the crossbar.
Just let him because he's little. How old are you, Logan?
Now is
Are you 6?
Callum's
You're 7?
It's Callum's shot now. And if he hits
Hold this, Luke, hold this.
the left post,
It's still videoing.
just like that.
Just so
And
Logan.
Logan
gets rid.
left. That went into there, didn't it?
Yes!
Oh, I'm
Look at me take it if you don't believe it. I'll be Has he lost?
Yeah.
He gets red assed.
Look, you get red ass.
And right, if we red ass you with not a hard shot, you get a red ass us
2 times.
twice. Yeah?
Yeah?
Just to make this video extra fun. No, we won't do it hard. We will. Won't. Right, guys, Logan's getting red ass, but I'm not gonna hit it hard because he's 6. Turn your head. Ready, Logan?
No.
Missed.
No, my
Chloe's. I only tapped it.
Now it's my shot. Bend over, Luke.
What? Move your head because it might hit your head.
For your head, for your legs.
Ooh! No,
Can I get red ass too?
yeah.
Oh, fine. Red after you then.
And then colour.
Go on, Luke. Go on, Luke.
Oh, no, I need to do it colour.
Did you do it?
I need to red ass in.
You know.
Logan's red assing Callum. And he missed.
Now. Okay.
Logan wants to red ass me again.
It's not red assing me again. Look, you're rubbish. I'm joking. Where's he? Why?
I guess he's gonna pass it.
Oh!
Listen, you do it again.
No, look.
I get to do it again, do this.
Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.